If you're looking for a cocktail your special someone hasn't seen before, or you haven't seen before, it's time to cook up a Skyy Vanilla Key Lime Martini. It's a South Beach treat that you can sip from a glass. As fragrant and inviting as your special someone, Skyy Vanilla combines the flavors of the Madagascar vanilla bean with a hint of amaretto flavor for a rich, creamy taste. Very Rico Suave. Now, to make this drink, you're going to need the proper materials. You will need a martini glass, some Skyy Vanilla, some pineapple juice, some fresh cream, and some crushed graham crackers. Am I leaving anything out?
A good bartender.
And here is the good bartender.
Instead of chilling down my martini glass, this time I'm going to give it a lime rim around the edge of the glass and then coat it in the graham cracker crust. That looks good.
That does look good.
Anyway, after that, you want to fill your mixing glass full of ice and about 2 ounces of the vanilla Skyy.
That's an 8 count if you're free pouring, and if you're going old school, 4 fingers.
Next is a little cream, and only about a ½ ounce of this.
That's 1 finger if you're going old school.
And same thing with the pineapple. ½ ounce. And the last thing is, we're going to use fresh lime for this. Give it a hit. Shake it up. Strainer on and pour. And with this drink, definitely a lime wheel. That and serve.
Now there's only one thing left to do, but let your lips try the tropical tartness of the Skyy Vanilla Key Lime Martini. That is unbelievably delicious.